Getting grass and plants to grow in clay soil can be a challenge. The dense, tightly packed soil doesn't leave much room for roots to grow and interferes with drainage. But there are a few things you can do to improve your clay soil and make your yard thrive. Start by either aerating or tilling your lawn. Aerating creates deep holes in the ground, which helps water, air, and nutrients reach plant roots. This can be done with a pitchfork or a lawn aerator. If you already have plants in the ground, aerate around each one to get nutrients to the roots. If you haven't started planting yet, tilling is a great option. A tiller uses sharp spiked wheels to break up the compacted soil. You can either purchase or rent these tools at select Lowe's locations. Adding organic matter like grass clippings, compost, or manure helps improve the soil's structure and drainage. Start by working the material into the top 8 to 12 inches of the soil. Since this is where most roots will grow, be sure to distribute it evenly. One word of caution: you should never add sand as an additive to clay soil since it doesn't retain water and won't hold any nutrients. Try to never leave clay soil unplanted between growing seasons. Cover crops like clover and rye protect the soil from erosion, improve the structure, and increase the organic matter in the soil. Another option is to plant in raised garden beds instead so you can fully control the soil. Use our step-by-step instructions to build your own. Fill it with high-quality raised bed soil and get planting. Don't let clay soil keep you from planting. You can turn your clay yard into a thriving garden.